Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GD app we click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of GD and you will click here in this application. Then you can click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.